What is this? Even more snow. Watching Life of Riza. This channel is amazing. I feel like I'm watching a movie, not a YouTube video. Decided to go for a walk. Someone even on a bike. Should I film this B-roll right now, or should I just skip it and show just a POV of my life, like this? So now I'm walking up this mountain to see the skirat. I need to work on my deeper voice. I always say, ah. Today I slept 12 hours. I feel sleepy. I want to sleep. What's going on? I cannot be honest because my family found my channel, so sometimes I want to say something. On the other hand, maybe no one really cares and build a positive vibe around you. Just avoid negative thoughts. Try to be more positive. I think that's what I need to do. Beautiful. That's the ski, but it's closed. I have my drone, but I don't know if I can fly in snow. I don't think. Mark Manson quote, "Who you blame is who you give your power to." That's deep. Snows even more. Grab the package. My new tripod. Let's open this at home. This weather. That's the problem with Poland. The alcohol stores, small like that, are everywhere. Poison in every corner. That's the tripod. That's Bruno. Flexible legs. Paid for this like 17 euro on Amazon. Phone case, I can put my phone here. Built-in phone case is amazing. A little bit big. My friend asked me to go to club with him, so I think I'm gonna go. What else should I do? It's a waste of time. I'm never gonna find a girlfriend in a club, but let's maybe dance. Okay, I need to show you something. Tesla, it's a Cybertruck video. Even if you don't like cars, this is how this video is edited. Masterpiece of YouTube, I think. We'll put the link in the description. Time to shovel the snow. Bruno. My God.
Christmas trees on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
I finished. Took me like more than an hour. Now less healthy meals. Sandwiches with everything what I can find in the fridge. That's the road. Beautiful. Why I'm doing this? Friends, of course. Trainers are stopped. After clubbing, it's 4 a.m. I asked one girl to dance, she said no, and then I just went sad, just chatting with my friends, my friend TJ. Now I'm gonna sleep and waste entire Sunday. I deliver pizza in the worst weather conditions, don't worry. Watch my road with me, the last footage from today.
This is not a Christmas song. This is not a...
Bruno! Hey, such a good boy. Get rest. You are the best. I'm gonna go to sleep, Bruno. Sorry. I'm a loser that goes to club all day. All night, I mean. Good night.